Welcome to War India News Hour. Talents can opt for work from anywhere jobs in 2021 and onwards. Work from anywhere jobs offer the ultimate in location flexibility and independence. Especially given the state of today's workplace, having the ability to truly work from anywhere enables people to take their jobs with them wherever they need to go. Social media helps the talents to get recognized by the top companies across the globe to let people work from anywhere in the world, and they are hiring. Now, many companies are developing the database for the flex jobs and has identified the top priority many companies do achieve their objectives. However, it is a common assumption that this type of job must be a freelance or contract role, but the vast majority of work from anywhere jobs are now visible in many corporates. For many people, remote work is the ideal way to work. You get the income stability and benefit of being an employee, plus the freedom to work wherever fits you best. You get to ditch the soul-crushing commute and yes, work in your pajamas if you like. Before you throw out your suits, though, you have to land the job. With the current situation, working remotely is no longer the future of work. It's a present situation many of us are facing right now. Companies have switched to a fully distributed team for the time being, but not everyone in a team is prepared for the sudden shift. Let's look into this hour's headlines in War India. Tech Mahindra acquires Digital Honors to offer hybrid clouds. Tech Mahindra will strengthen its cloud-native development and nearshore delivery from Mexico and Canada for its US and global customers. Tech Mahindra has acquired 100% stake in Digital Honors to strengthen cloud-native development, hybrid cloud infrastructure, and SRE, that is Site Reliability Engineering Automation. Total consideration of the acquisition is up to $120 million, including retention bonus and earnout. The transaction is expected to close by 15th of May 2021. WhatsApp fixes vulnerability after CERT-In flags. The Indian cybersecurity agency CERT-In has issued a high severity rating advisory for the flaw detected in WhatsApp. Multiple vulnerabilities have been reported in WhatsApp applications, which could allow a remote attacker to execute arbitrary code or access sensitive information on a targeted system. WhatsApp said it has fixed 2 bugs that existed in an outdated software following Indian cybersecurity agency CERT-In warning about multiple vulnerabilities in the app. Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop launched in India. Acer announced the launch of its Predator Helios 300 laptop in India, equipped with octa-core Intel Core i7 mobile gaming processors and comes with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs for an outstanding combination of high-performance gaming experience. The Predator Helios 300 offers the best all-round performance when it comes to gaming. Starting at just Rs 1,19,999, this slim gaming dynamo can tackle the most demanding games with ease. Dhruva raises $147 million at a valuation of over $2 billion. Dhruva, the Indian company into cloud data protection and management solutions based out of Pune, has raised $147 million in a financing round co-led by Canada's CDPQ and Neuberger Berman. The latest round has valued the startup at $2 billion. Dhruva could have raised double or triple the amount raised but chose not to, Dhruva CEO Jaspreet Singh told in an interview. Siemens inks with Google to extend industrial AI tools. Google said in a statement that it is partnering with Siemens to advance artificial intelligence deployments in manufacturing space. With this, Siemens is integrating Google Cloud Data Analytics and artificial intelligence capabilities into its digital industries factory automation portfolio. The integration gives Google a major partner in the manufacturing space, one of 6 key verticals the cloud company is targeting. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.